Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, do you love cooking? In this video, we will learn about cooking verbs. Cooking verb is a verb that describes the way of cooking. Are you curious? If you are, so don't go anywhere, stay here in my English channels.
Prepare all the ingredients and tools. Take a spoonful of sugar. Add 3 spoons of sugar into the cup. Put the shrimp satay in the container. Scoop the ice cream and put it on the ice cream cone. Pour water into the glass. Fill a glass with water. Dip the tea bag in a cup of hot water. Drop chocolate milk on the top of the ice cream. Sift the flour to avoid lumps. Strain fresh grated coconut using a strainer. Drain the noodle in a colander. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on the cucumbers. Spread peanut butter on one slice of bread. Dip the chicken into seasoned flour to coat generously. Brush each ear of corns with garlic butter. Grease the muffin cups with butter. Season on olive side of the meat. Rinse the lettuce to dislodge any dirt. Peel the skin of an apple, then cut it into small pieces. Seed the avocado using a knife carefully. Discard. Put eggs in the icy water at least 14 minutes before you discard the eggshells. Slice sweet potatoes in round wheels about a ½ inch thick. Cut the banana into pieces without peeling it. Slash salmon using a sharp knife. Chop. Mince. Dice. Dice the meat into cubes. Grate. Grate the coconut using a grater. Break. Crack. Break eggs and put them into the bowl. Shred. Shred lettuce and put it into the bowl. Tenderize. Tenderize the meat using a tenderizer. Grind. Grind all the ingredients until smooth. Crush. Crush the nutmeg and take out the seed. Prick. Use a fork to prick potatoes on all sides. Boil. Boil egg for 5 minutes. Cook. Cook spaghetti in a big saucepan of boiling water till just tender. Heat. Heat frying oil in a large frying pan on medium heat. Stew. Let the tomatoes mixture stew for 20 minutes. Simmer. Boil tofu then simmer for 4 minutes. Steam. Put the dim sum in the bamboo steamer basket, cover and steam for about 12 minutes. Fry. Fry about 5 minutes until lightly brown. Sauté. Sauté onions, keep stirring frequently until golden brown. Set aside. Deep fry the dough until golden brown, then set aside. Grill. Grill the sauté approximately 4 minutes per side until the meat cooked. Bake. Bake for 45 to 60 minutes until the cake golden brown. Toast. Toast the bread for a minute and flip the other side. Smoke. Smoke the beef on a smoker for about 4 hours. Cool. Chill. Take the pizza out of the oven and cool it. Freeze. Pour water in the ice cube mold and freeze for about 5 hours. Refrigerate. Refrigerate the vegetables and fruits to keep them fresh. Soak. Soak the noodle in hot water for a few minutes until strands. Marinate. Marinate fresh crab in mild soy sauce, then refrigerate for 24 hours. Stir. Stir until the ingredients are moistened. Mix. Mix flour, egg yolk, margarine and milk until fluffy. Blend. Blend all the ingredients until it turns smooth. Whisk. Shake. Whisk vigorously until batter is evenly smooth for coating. Flip. Turn over. Flip the mixture on the frying pan. Scramble. Scramble egg on the frying pan over medium-low heat. Mash. Mash the potatoes using a fork. Knead. Knead the dough steadily until no more sticky part remain. Flatten. Flatten the dough on a floured working bench. Roll. Roll the dough using the rolling pin. Fold. Fold the right side of the crepe just past the middle. Wrap. Wrap the bowl so it is completely covered. Squeeze. Squeeze out the orange to extract the juice. Melt. Put cheese on a medium saucepan over low heat. Let it melt. Thaw. Put ice cubes in the juice and let it thaw. Then serve it. Dissolve. Dissolve 2 spoonfuls of cornstarch in a half glass of water. Weigh. Weigh using a scale to get an accurate measurement. Measure. Measure all-purpose flour we need using a measuring cup. Transfer. Remove. Transfer the soup to a bowl, and it's ready to serve. Cover. Cover the rice until it is fully cooked. Uncover. Uncover the lid. Switch on. Turn on. Switch on the gas stove. Switch off. Turn off. Switch off the gas stove. Plug in. Plug in the power cord of the rice cooker into an electrical outlet. Unplug. Unplug the power cord of the blender from the electrical outlet. Store. Keep. Store the eggs in the refrigerator. Taste. Taste the batter, then pour it into the mold. Garnish. Decorate. Garnish with parsley before serving. Serve, spreading powdered sugar on the top of it. Now, pancake is ready to serve.
Well, that's all my explanation about cooking verbs. I do hope you will get my points. See you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.